Greetings, it's New Year's Eve day. This is Stan, and this is a lesson number 2, lecture to myself, and you're free to listen into it because it's got a lesson that I need to hear, I think, almost every day, and perhaps you can find some use to it too. It's today the Father has promised you, and here we go. The Father says today, adopt gratitude as your default response to every day's challenge. Gratitude and thankfulness attract the abundance that the cross of Jesus Christ makes possible on the basis of your faith. You see, faith, like love, believes all things. Faith knows nothing of despair or fear, worry, or murmuring. Never give voice to the negative. Whatsoever things are pure, perfect, lovely, and of good report, think on these things a lot, and ever speak these things into the atmosphere all around you. Then you set yourself up for the manifestation of, as in heaven, so on your earth. Even as I said in my word, your heart and human spirit are designed to generate the spiritual issue, the flow and character of what your tomorrows look like. Your thoughts and your words are the fuel that drives the process that I have ordained within you to put you over every obstacle. Fill your thoughts with my goodness and my promises. Saturate your words with the positivity of my word. For my word is quick and it's powerful and it will bring change when you cooperate with the angels around you by giving them something to work with, even your faith. Be thankful for what you have and not preoccupied with what you don't have. Forgive those who have taken from you and be at peace. For those who have wronged and betrayed you, forgive, release, even bless them. Failure to forgive, even to forgive yourself, will hold you captive to the very snare of bitterness. Let it go. Why would you give yourself over to the torment of past regret? Regret is not your portion. Everything that has taken place in your life is under my control. I am standing in your past, establishing your present, and speaking into your future. Adopt the end of the plan that I have crafted for you, and not the bleak outlook of the finite mind. You are not powerless. You are not without strength, and you are not without the grace that originates in my throne to make everything shift in your life toward your highest heart's desire. Healing, it is your portion. Supply, I've given you the power to create wealth. Restoration, I am working, trust me. Let me take it from here. I am leading you, and I am guiding you. I am establishing your steps on the upward path of supply, healing, recovery, and provision, for it is my good pleasure to give you the kingdom. Thanks to whoever shared that with me, and I give it to myself once again, and if it's helpful to you, I share it with you. May 2021, may it be happy, but we'll settle for a better year. We truly believe that all will be well, that in God's good plans and purposes, even this somewhat terrible year has had something in it that could be of benefit, grace, and goodness to the work we do, the businesses we're seeking to establish and make prosperous, for the relationships that we need to build and maybe even heal, and so that we truly will have, as he said, it is my good will to give you the very kingdom. May it be so. All the best and blessings to you, and we'll see you in the first day of 2021. And I hope for many days after. All the best, all the blessings. Bye for now.